2 Creative Recipes Using Cucumbers Part 5. Cucumber and Shrimp Noodle Bowl, a healthy and flavorful meal option. Introduction. The cucumber and shrimp noodle bowl is a vibrant and satisfying dish that combines the freshness of cucumbers with the succulent flavors of shrimp and noodles. This meal option offers a delightful balance of textures and tastes, making it a perfect choice for a light and nutritious lunch or dinner. In this video, we will explore the qualities of the cucumber and shrimp noodle bowl, including its key ingredients, preparation steps, and variations to suit different dietary preferences. 1. The essence of cucumber and shrimp noodle bowl. The cucumber and shrimp noodle bowl is a culinary delight that brings together an array of complementary flavors. The cool and crunchy cucumber adds a refreshing element to the dish, while the tender and juicy shrimp provides a savory and protein-packed component. The noodles serve as a satisfying base, absorbing the flavors of the other ingredients and providing a hearty texture. The combination of these elements creates a well-rounded and flavorful meal that is both nourishing and satisfying. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and shrimp noodle bowl. To make a delicious cucumber and shrimp noodle bowl, gather the following ingredients. Shrimp. Use fresh or frozen shrimp, peeled and deveined. Opt for medium-sized shrimp, as they are easy to cook and have a nice texture. Cucumbers. Select firm and fresh cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a mild flavor and fewer seeds. Slice the cucumbers into thin rounds or matchstick-sized strips. Rice noodles. Choose thin rice noodles or vermicelli noodles, as they cook quickly and have a delicate texture. Soak the noodles according to the package instructions before using them in the recipe. Carrots. Julienne or grate carrots to add a touch of color and sweetness to the dish. Bell peppers. Slice bell peppers into thin strips for a pop of color and a slight crunch. Fresh herbs. Use a combination of fresh herbs such as cilantro, mint, and basil to add brightness and aroma to the noodle bowl. Lime. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the noodle bowl for a tangy and zesty flavor. Soy sauce. Add soy sauce or tamari for a savory and umami taste. Use low-sodium soy sauce if desired. Sesame oil. Drizzle a small amount of sesame oil over the dish to add a rich and nutty flavor. Chili sauce. Optional for those who enjoy a bit of heat, add a dollop of chili sauce or sriracha to spice up the noodle bowl. Salt and pepper. Season the shrimp and vegetables with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 3. Preparation steps. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of making a cucumber and shrimp noodle bowl. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Thaw the shrimp if using frozen ones. Peel and devein them, and pat them dry with a paper towel. Slice the cucumbers into thin rounds or matchstick-sized strips. Soak the rice noodles according to the package instructions, then drain and set aside. Julienne or grate the carrots. Slice the bell peppers into thin strips. Roughly chop the fresh herbs. Squeeze fresh lime juice. Step 2. Cook the shrimp. Season the shrimp with salt and pepper. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook them, as they can become tough. Cucumber and yogurt popsicles, a refreshing and healthy summer treat. Introduction. Cucumber and yogurt popsicles are a delightful and refreshing treat that combines the coolness of cucumbers with the creaminess of yogurt. These homemade frozen treats offer a perfect balance of flavors, making them a healthy and enjoyable option for hot summer days or anytime you want a light and refreshing snack. We will explore the qualities of cucumber and yogurt popsicles, including the key ingredients, preparation steps, and variations to suit different taste preferences. 1. The essence of cucumber and yogurt popsicles. Cucumber and yogurt popsicles provide a unique combination of flavors and textures. The refreshing and hydrating quality of cucumbers pairs beautifully with the creamy and tangy taste of yogurt. This delightful fusion creates a popsicle that is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Cucumber and yogurt popsicles are an excellent way to cool down and enjoy a healthy treat during the hot summer months. 2. Ingredients for cucumber and yogurt popsicles. To make refreshing cucumber and yogurt popsicles, you will need the following ingredients. Cucumbers, choose fresh and crisp cucumbers, preferably English or Persian cucumbers, as they have a mild flavor and fewer seeds. Peel the cucumbers and remove the seeds before using them in the recipe. Yogurt, use plain yogurt, preferably Greek yogurt, for a thick and creamy texture. Greek yogurt is higher in protein and provides a tangy taste that complements the cucumber. Sweetener, add a natural sweetener of your choice to balance the tartness of the yogurt and enhance the overall flavor. Options include honey, maple syrup, agave nectar, or stevia. Adjust the sweetness level based on your preference. Lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice adds a zesty and bright flavor to the popsicles, enhancing the overall taste. Fresh mint, optional for an extra burst of freshness, add chopped fresh mint leaves to the popsicle mixture. Mint complements the cucumber and adds a cooling element to the popsicles. 3. Preparation steps. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of making cucumber and yogurt popsicles. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Wash and peel the cucumbers. Cut them in half lengthwise and remove the seeds using a spoon. Slice the cucumbers into smaller pieces. Step 2. Blend the ingredients. In a blender or food processor, add the sliced cucumbers, yogurt, sweetener of your choice, lemon juice, and fresh mint if using. Blend the mixture until smooth and well combined. Taste and adjust the sweetness or tanginess if needed. Step 3. Fill the popsicle molds. Pour the cucumber and yogurt mixture into popsicle molds, leaving a little space at the top for expansion as the popsicles freeze. If using popsicle sticks without built-in handles, cover the molds with aluminum foil and insert the sticks through the foil into the popsicle mixture. Step 4. Freeze the popsicles. Place the filled popsicle molds in the freezer and let them freeze for about 1 to 2 hours, or until the mixture starts to solidify. Insert popsicle sticks into the partially frozen popsicles, ensuring they stand upright. Continue freezing the popsicles for an additional 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Step 5. Unmold and serve. To remove the popsicles from the molds, run the molds briefly under warm water to loosen the popsicles. Gently pull the popsicles out of the molds and place them on a tray or in a freezer bag. Conclusion: cucumbers are a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of creative recipes. From refreshing soups and salads to inventive sushi rolls and desserts, cucumbers add a crisp and cooling element to dishes. These 10 recipes showcase the versatility of cucumbers and provide a range of flavors and textures to suit every palate. So, get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the refreshing and nutritious goodness of cucumbers in your meals. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.